everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmel Asha, and today I wanted to do a wax video. Okay, y'all ever seen those waxing kits? Well, I got my very first waxing kit off of Amazon, and I figured, let me do a video and kind of just do a quick little review on it. Now, to be honest with you, for the most part, I've always gotten waxed professionally, but I gotta be honest, I've really been interested in learning how to wax at home for a while. So I was like, what better time than now? You know what I'm saying? Save a little bit of money, and with Corona and everything, I'll try not to expose myself to too many places and too many things. So I'm like, wax at home. So anyway, I'm going to do a quick little review and I'm going to get started. All right. Hey everybody, okay, so that was an interesting experience, waxing at home for the very first time, but it actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I definitely recommend, even though I'm about to give you a personal review, please don't just rely on what I'm saying. Definitely read the directions that come with your waxing kit, okay? First of all, let me start by saying I purchased this kit off of Amazon.com. I can actually leave the link in the comment box below, okay? That'll take you right back to it. But I definitely give the wax kit a thumbs up. The directions was pretty easy and self-explanatory. It even came with the hard wax beans that melt down pretty quickly. And yeah, once it's melted down, it should have like a honey consistency. It even came with the sticks. And yeah, you basically apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth. Okay, so if your hair grows downward, then you want to apply the wax going downward. But then once it is time for you to lift the hardened wax up, you want to pull up in the opposite direction. Okay, like I said, very easy peasy. But no, I definitely recommend this wax kit. I'm really dig it, and honestly, I can see myself using it probably if you're hairy like me, at least bi-weekly, but maybe even weekly, because it was so easy. And hey, I mean, shit, I might as well save a little bit of money, right? I've been paying these people God knows how much money to do some shit that I could do on my own. So I definitely inspired myself to kind of, take some things into my own hands and realize that it's actually not that hard. Now, mind you, I don't see myself performing a Brazilian at home. Now, if you do something like that, hey, more power to you. That is extremely brave. But as for me, smaller areas like the face, neck, chest, arms, underarms, things like that, maybe even my legs, definitely down for it. I will save the Brazilian for the professionals. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys, okay? I just wanted to give you my honest review of the I believe it's the Lansley Waxing Kit from Amazon.com. Okay, it's dope, it's bomb, and yeah, I like it. Follow the directions, okay? Do not burn yourself, and always do a test spot before you actually do the area that you want to wax, okay? So if you like this video, go ahead and like it, guys. If you have any comments about my wax experience that maybe I didn't cover, forgot to mention, please just ask me down below. If you want to see any other videos like this, please let me know. I'm down for you. I'm here for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, yo, get on this subscribe train, guys. All right. I don't want you to miss nothing. Okay. And see you next time. Love you.